YouTube, what's up? It's Bree, aka YEEZY, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And if you're back, what's good, gang? Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings. So the first unboxing will be for some YEEZY slides. Ooh, and then the second unboxing will be for some TORY BURCH sandals. So as y'all know, I have a surprise coming up for y'all, and I know y'all been seeing me doing a little shopping, whatever. Hint, if y'all know anything about me, y'all know I shop before. Blink. So there's the hint. Without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Okay, so the first item, the YEEZY slides. I actually ordered those from Goats. Ordered them from Goats. And let me give y'all a little tea. I'm pissed. I'm pissed because I need them. I need everything I'm buying. And they freaking delivered the wrong size. I asked for a US 8. They gave me a UK 8. That is like, I think a 7.5 in US. So I gotta send those back. My friend did recommend that I try to sell them, but I don't got time. I don't got the time. It's not here. So it's gonna be a little, oh shoot. I done knocked the whole dang video out of place. Okay, so it's gonna be a little different because I ordered them. Ooh, let's not disclose that info. But yeah, box, had to grab the box. I didn't have it ready. And this is what the box looks like. So one side says slide, other side shows the label. This side lets you know what's going on. And boom. Look at that mistake. What is that? What do I do with that? Whew. I immediately saw the box and was like, this is a little smaller than what my shoe boxes usually come looking like. And then I opened it right. Pissed. I'm trying to take it out all the way. It does come out all the way, but we not gonna struggle on camera. And I was like, jaw drop, because I saw this shoe and I was like, yeah, baby, that is too small. I'm gonna try it on so y'all can see. But here's what she's giving. Ta-da, voila. So like feeling it, you can definitely tell it's foam. And then we have the Adidas logo, and then in there what does it say? It says YEEZY, of course, and then it says the shoe size. So with some extra stickers, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's that. Okay, now I'm about to show y'all what these look like on my feet. So yeah, y'all, pardon my toes if they a little ashy or whatever, but that's what they look like. AKA, they don't fit, bitch. So yeah, y'all, clearly can't fit my daggone feet. But my review on the shoe, I would have been so happy with the shoe if it would have actually fit, because y'all, just as soft like as this may look is how they feel like. Oh, I know when I get these reordered and they send me back the right size, that's gonna be a comfy ass shoe. I see why people always got them on with socks and sweats and everything, like shorts. These are comfortable, y'all. So out of a 10, I'm gonna have to give these shoes an exact 10. Like as far as in person, I know this color is very nude, but I would have to say it's more like a tan than it is a nude. So expect something more on the tan side than the new, because how can I explain the difference? Like, this paper, discoloration on camera, but this paper in person definitely looks nude. This shoe definitely, I mean, this box definitely looks like a light brown. Just know these are like, I have to look in person. These are definitely, yeah, they're definitely a cross in between the both. So yeah, because I was definitely buying them to match this dress. I mean, it'll still go because a cream dress in sort of nude tan slides still goes, but I thought they were going to be more around the same color. I mean, it's cool with me, but that's enough on these. Maybe I should do a thumbnail. Hold on. Okay. The smile started getting real fake real quick. Now we're gonna go into my Tory Burch sandals. I'm definitely excited to have a pair of slides for when I want to be more on the chill side, but I could still dress those up. And sandals. What girl don't need a pair of sandals? Okay. So let's bring these babies out. Voila! My Tory Burch. Look at this box. It's so freaking cute. So a thing about my foot, y'all, is that it's skinny and long. So when I tell y'all, I have so many, if you go look at my closet, I have so many different shoe sizes going on. What can I say? I guess my foot is a jack of all trades. That was so corny. But these are, I had to make sure I got that right. So these are a size 10. These sandals, I'm gonna say, are true to size. That would be my opinion on the sandal. So I bought these from NORDSTROM, and that's why the box looks crazy, because they already had them out and whatnot, and I tried them on and whatnot. So yeah, that's why the box looks like that. Can't tell y'all how it looks if it was delivered or something. In here, why do I keep holding everything in reverse? And here are the sandals. So blue is my favorite color. If you don't know, now you know. But yeah, I've already worn these once, so don't mind things like this. I've already wore them, but this shoe is a little cleaner, so I'll show y'all. Yeah, that's what it's giving. Hey, little Tory Burch detailing down there, right there, and right there. These are a little hard, I'm not gonna lie. Out of like a comfort scale, 1 to 10, I would give it a 5. No, that's low, ain't it? A 5 is low. Okay, 7.5. Yeah, that's cool. The toe on these, like in between your toe, you're gonna feel that. I would rate that on a comfort scale like a 6. I'm not gonna lie, like it's just in your toe as you're walking. But other than that, for like cuteness, come on, that gets a 10 out of a 10. I really don't have a complaint. I just know some people don't really like jelly, so I had to let y'all know. And that's all I can really say. When I did end up totaling it, it ended up being $80. And on average, these shoes are like, I think $200 shoes. Cause yeah, a lot of the shoes on the table was looking like 2 something. And oh, I didn't even tell y'all about the Yeezys. Well, the Yeezy slides came up to $234 after shipping. and I believe that's a pretty good price because like in person, or selling it rather, if you're selling it people to people. I know I was about to buy some until the guy was like, they're $300 something, and I was like, a pair of slides for $300? Oh no. But now that I got them and they're like really comfortable, I would say maybe it's worth it. That was my review on my Tory Burch slides and my Yeezy slides that I gotta return. So yes, thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all got an idea of what you're looking to buy. And please, if you made it this far, click that subscribe button once again. And don't forget to comment and like. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Don't forget, most importantly, to be breezy.